So y'all, I guess they just throw anything in a box and send it to people. Like, I did not order this. I was supposed to get. So now I have to try and take them back to the store or whatever and see if they have the shoe that I want in my size. I'm really upset, but okay, I'm not gonna stress about it because I can exchange them, but still, I'm just so upset. It's like y'all just throw anything in a box and shit, send it to people. And I checked my order like 50 million times, and it has nothing about this type of shoe, this type of slide on there, like nothing. I'm just so upset, like. So hey, so I finally got my Crocs. Y'all know they had sent me the wrong shoes in the mail. I don't know how they got that mixed up, but anyways, they got it mixed up, and I finally got mine. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm going to customize me and my baby Crocs. So I'm gonna use these little things. I got these off Amazon. They were like $21 for 180, I believe. So yeah. So these are the Crocs we got. So I'm customizing. I want to get us some orange ones and customize them as well. So be looking out for that video. I'm going to get us some orange Crocs and customize those as well. So okay, y'all, got it open. So I think I want to put her name on hers, but I don't know how much of it is gonna fit. Her name is kind of long, so I don't know if I want to just put Ever on it or Forever on it. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna put Shay on mine, and then the other one put like maybe a crown or a flower or something. But I think I want to put her name on hers. So let me get an F. Okay, let me find the letters first. Okay, y'all. You get a nice amount for $21. This is a lot. So, I got her name. So, I don't know if I'm going to put, like, just her initial or her whole name. And then, I don't know if I'm going to put, like, a butterfly or a flower or something. Or like a crown on the other one. I know I want to put a rainbow on her other one. I know I want to do that. So, I don't know what I want to do. But I don't think, like, the whole name will fit. It's going to look crazy if I put her whole name. I don't know. Okay. Anyways, I don't know. It's gonna look crazy if I put her whole name. So I think I might just put like Eva, or just put her initial and then put like something around them. I don't know how I want to do it, but I do know. But I do know I want to put her name on them. I don't know. But these are so cute. I love them. So I don't know. Let me just play around with it and see if I want to put her whole name. I'm gonna come back and show y'all if I put the whole name on there. So I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, this is what we got so far. So I don't know if her whole name is gonna look right on it because I don't know. I don't know if her whole name is gonna look right. My nail popped off. But I don't know if her whole name is going to look right on there. I don't know. I think I'm just put the whole name on there and come back and show y'all how it look. I guess. Yeah, here they go. I put her whole name on them. I mean, let me know how it look. Is it too much or what? Or should I just do her initial or what? Let me know if it look like it's too much. Or is it cool, or is it, I mean, just let me know. Do y'all like it? Because I like it. Then I just put a flower, a rainbow, and a butterfly on that one. But I absolutely love them. So I don't know. Let me know if y'all like them. I'm gonna show y'all how I do mine. I think I'm just gonna put like my name on mine. My name is only 4 letters, so. But anyways, y'all, look. Let me know if y'all like them. Let me know if it's too much. Let me know if I should just put her initial or her nickname, or yeah, just let me know. But I think it's cute. I mean, I don't know. Y'all let me know. We're gonna have to get her reaction too, so I'm gonna see if she like them. But I like them. I'm gonna do mine. So I think I'm gonna put my nickname in. If y'all can see it, my nickname is Shay. As y'all know, my nickname is Shay. So I think I'm just gonna put my nickname with the butterfly. Probably like a crown. And probably like some lips. And I don't know what else. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Let me just look through them and see which one I want to put in. Okay, y'all. So I think I want to put like my name, my nickname, a butterfly on one of them, and then a crown, the VIP, the lips, and another butterfly on it. I'm trying to do a flower. I think I'm gonna do a flower like I did for others. Where's the flower? I just seen another flower. Maybe this one? I don't know. But I'm gonna show y'all how I put over here with a bigger flower. I don't know. Okay, y'all, this is how I did mine. Let me know if you like it, or should I add some more stuff on mine. I think I'm going to add something else on this one. I don't know, let me see. Yeah, I did say I was going to add the lips, right? I think I'm going to put the lips in. Should I add something else? A flower? Right here? Or is that going to be too much? I think that's going to be too much. I think that's fine. I don't know. Should I move them over or something? Should I move this up? I don't know. Let me see. So they're really easy to pop in and pop out. Let me know if you guys like them. I absolutely love them. I love Ella's though. I think I'm gonna keep hers like that because I love hers. So, yeah. Or should I add something else on this one? I don't know. I like them. Yeah. So, yeah. Your eyes. Okay, y'all. Let me get Fab's reaction. Do you like them?
Yeah.
So you like them? Your name on them? It's your name. What else you got on here? What's that? Yes.
Rainbow.
Yes. What's this?
This one. What's it?
A flower.
A flower.
Okay, y'all. Safe to say she likes them.
I want to drink a smoothie.
You want to drink a smoothie now?
Yeah.
Okay. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share my channel. Let me know if you are gonna get some Crocs and design them. Let me know. Let me know if I did too much on my Crocs. Let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.